Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And what we have today, well, we have a Jeep Wrangler JK. And what do? Well, we put a new top on it. Now, a lot of people know us for our trucks. We do all kinds of trucks, but they don't realize we do the Broncos, and we do the Jeeps, and we even do sports cars, and we do motorcycles. That's right, we do a little bit of everything. So let's go over what we have here. We have the MasterTop on this. And again, this is the kind of like the 3-layer tweed here with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. It does come with a nice tinted window here. Even got a nice little logo on there. Now we carry quite a few different brands of tops, but I do like this one here. And 3-year warranty does cover it for a long time. And let's go ahead and swing around here and take a look. Now, we installed it for the guest. We took off their old cover and put the new cover on. And I tell you, when you put these on, you do have to let them sit in the sun for a little bit, kind of stretch out a little bit. And of course, with today being so cloudy, it made it a little harder to put on because it didn't have a chance to really warm up, but we still got it on, no problem. But again, we can ship this anywhere in the country. So if you don't live here in Florida and you want this, we can send it to you. Or you have us put it on for you like we did with this guest here. Again, this is the MasterTop, and this is the 3-layer Master Tweed, and it's got nice little tinted windows here, and got a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Now, we do put a 1-year labor guarantee on what we have done, which covers our installation as well. Again, if you like this, we'll ship it anywhere in the country. If you live in Texas, California, Hawaii, Alaska, that's right. We shipped to Alaska just recently. I was really happy with that. That was like the last state I think we haven't hit to. So again, we'll get to you anywhere you're at. And before I go, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. As you can see, we do things for everything. The Jeeps, trucks, sports cars. As you know, we've been doing Mustang videos. So a little bit of everything. Again, this is the MasterTop, and I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Thank you.